Okay, so this is Lorraine, who's on the last day of the Permanent Makeup Startup course with Katy. We've been busy with clients over the last couple of days and this morning. So Lorraine, just going back to this morning, we just had a lady in and Kate was saying you did pretty much all the treatment, brows and eyeliner.
Yeah.
How did it go this morning?
Very well.
Yeah?
Yeah, so we did eyeliner first today because that needed more work with the brow top up. So I did an eyeliner yesterday.
Yeah.
And I went home thinking, oh gosh, I don't know if I like this treatment. Maybe I should just do brows. And I thought, no, don't be silly. But so we did another one this morning.
Yeah.
And it was just so much better.
Yeah. Well, practice makes perfect, doesn't it?
It does. Well? And I mean, it's the thing about, you know, how you hold and grip the eyelid.
Yeah.
So that the client can't move, can't open their eye. Yeah, it was just, and we used a smaller needle today. Yeah. Which gives a much sharper line, and you can get a deeper colour, darker colour with that. So yeah, it was good. And then we tidied up her brows, just put a few more hair strokes in, and just some soft powder. We did have one stubborn bit that we kept having to redo.
Okay, yeah,
that's something good. And she went away really happy.
Well, yeah, and she was wanting to book everything in, wasn't she?
Oh, yeah, she wants to know when she can come back for everything, the lower eyeliner and the lips.
Yeah, exactly. So
I feel good about it now. I feel that I can do it.
Yeah, and that's the point actually, because you know a lot of people they're a bit anxious when they start, especially people like yourself, I suppose, that come from completely different backgrounds, a legal secretary, not in the beauty industry, and then. Yeah, exactly. And there must have been a few moments before you came that you thought, oh, I wonder if this is for me or whatever.
What am I doing?
Yeah.
I think, I mean, I think those doubts are so common, but you've got to be realistic. You know, if you're going to retrain, you're going into something that you know nothing about. But I've found a really good trainer, so. You know, Katy's just, well, you know, both of you. Yeah. You're just so welcoming, so friendly, so easy to get along with. I'm cool about the whole thing now. I think I can do it. Excellent.
You can see the confidence from day one to sort of now. It's crazy, isn't it, really?
Yeah.
It's down to practice, and also you had a bit of time to practice on your, you know, in between coming back for the live models, which also helps.
Yeah.
And then I suppose on the other side, the thing that sort of ties it all up is also we're going to be helping you on the business side as well, because obviously the business mentoring, you know, a lot of students like to have help on that as well. And do you think that's sort of an important part as well as the whole training?
It is, because now I will have my practical skills. Yeah. But it's all very well knowing how to do the techniques, but you need to get your clients, and then you want to target the sort of client that you want. Yeah, your sort of dream clients, the sort of people you want to work with. Yeah, you know, you've been there and done it. So yeah, I mean, it's that advice about you find somebody that's doing what you want to do and you copy them. Yeah. So basically, I mean, I'm not going to be a trainer, but do you know what I mean? I'm going to do what you guys have done. Exactly. And you've got already set up, you've got your clinic pretty much all ready to go. Yeah. So a couple of weeks, I think, I'll be up and running. Excellent. That's great. Thank you. Still got a little bit of time today, and well, it's been lovely having you, and we'll obviously be looking forward to working with you in the future, sort of helping you with the client side of things and that as well. And seeing all your happy clients bounding out the doors like they've been while you've been here. Oh, I can't wait now. I just totally believe I can do this. Yeah, well that's it. A lot of it's confidence, isn't it? If you believe you can or you can't, you're exactly right. And, you know, I guess some people will have doubts if they come from different backgrounds with no experience, but it just goes to show with the right sort of training and support. And exactly. And the thing is, even along the way, you know, you're going to get some bumps in the road. But that's part of any journey, isn't it? You know, you just have to think, okay, let's learn from that, or, you know, find a way around it. That's what you need to expect. That's going to happen. And if it happens and you're not quite sure how to overcome it, you've got Kate's mobile number that you can call, contact, and lots of online support sort of materials and videos as well. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah, got everything I need. Brilliant. Well, enjoy the rest of the day, and we'll look forward to seeing you, well, on an ongoing basis, I'm sure. Yeah, definitely. Excellent. Cheers for that, Lorraine. Bye.